Smartdraw tutorial, how to use Smartdraw for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Smartdraw, a unified visual collaboration app. And Smartdraw combines diagramming, whiteboarding and data license everyone for at a low price. So first of all, you have to head over to smartdraw.com here. So here you can see Smartdraw combines diagramming, whiteboarding, and data into the one enterprise-friendly solution. So head over to smartdraw.com and then you have to tap onto Start Now option. Just tap on to Start Now, and there we go. This is what Smartdraw interface looks like. So there are a lot of things available. For example, here you can see these options from brainstorming and ideation to tree diagrams. You just have to choose on the one that you want to use. For example, elevations. Here you can check out house elevations, also cabinet elevations, restaurant elevations, lot of type of niches. At the floor plan commercial, you can check out your floor plan commercials. For example, commercial floor plan, site plan, etc. Just choose on the one that you prefer the most. For example, at the IT and networks option, you get network diagram, Amazon web services diagram, Google cloud platform, and many more. So let's tap onto this one, Amazon web services one, and let's wait until the page loads completely. And while the page is loading, let's go head over to this site. At the top left corner, you can check out its home site. You can just tap onto this one, and from here you can find many types of templates. As you can see, I already showed you. And here at the recent documents, here you can check out all of your documents that is added to Smartdraw. For now, let's skip this part. Okay, let's reload this page. And on the integrations of options, you can check out your integrations, your apps, your visualizers, storage. You can just simply tap onto see apps, and then you will be able to add your apps from here. You can just tap onto buy, then buy option, and then you can check out its pricings and many more. So wait, let's load the page. There might be some issues, so let me open another browser and let's log into it again. So here you can just tap onto these buy options and you can check out their bidding options. For example, the individual one, which is $9.95 per month, and you can check out the team offer, which is just $8.25. And lastly, enterprise options, which will be for as low as $5 to it can be more higher if you wish more services. You can just tap onto contact us options, and then you will able to get the perfect pricings depending on your needs. And here at the options option, you can simply tap onto it and you can enter your license key. From here you have to enter your email address, password, then you have to tap onto create account. And here under license options, you can check out your open shared URL, about, and many more. You can also import Visio, Lucid Migration, and other apps from here if you want. You can integrate your apps, visualize your storage from here. I already showed you this site. Just tap onto the one that you want to add, then you have to choose that one. For example, I chose Google Workspace, and now you have to tap onto install, and the extension will be installed for Google Workspace very easily. So there we go, I'm showing you how you can do it. Just install it up and wait until the installation is completed. As you can see, the installations is completed, and you can just go to Google Workspace and you can work it up. Tap on to get started, and here you can see the extension has been added to it very easily. So this is how you can use Smartdraw draw. Here you can see this site right here. This is what the template looks like. Wait, let me reload this again. Let's cut this site from here and wait till the page loads. Let's check out other templates from here. So we'll wait until the page loads and then we are gonna design a template. There might be some issues. Let me open another browser, for example this one, and let's search. Okay, then you can, as you can see, I have some reload network issues going on. So let's open up. Okay, I have some connection timeout. Okay, what is this thing? Connection time to service timeout. Okay, we have to reload this. We have to wait until it reloads completely, then we have to use it. So we cannot move to from this page and show you other steps. Wait, and then I'm going to show you the steps. So there we go. What the? Okay, let's cancel it up, and I'm going to show you like this. So from here you can check out these options. You can export other text or templates if you wish to. You can create shapes, like you know that round shapes, square shapes, etc., triangle shapes. You can choose these shapes from here. Here you can see this line text. Also here you can check out this text. This is basically the option to add text to your Smartdraw diagrams. You can check out this design page tables, etc. You can just choose them out and you can tap onto this third option and you can insert images, etc. You can tap onto this plus icon and from there you can add plus you can add new forms and etc. And after completing all the customization, you can have to just play around all of these templates. From here you can see these options. You can tap on the design page table, etc. And lastly you have to tap on the share options and then you can save it up. So this is how you can do it. So if this video was helpful and it you get an idea about smart roles, let me know in the comment section, like this video, and till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on another video. And comment down below that what type of video you want to see on the coming videos. And if you want a more described smart draw tutorial, let me know that too. I will create one very soon. So that's it. See you. Take care. Bye bye.